Hey, so there's something swimming in the water.
It's a duck.
We have a 13-hour layover in Singapore. So far, the airport experience has been great. There's a lot of shopping.
Super clean.
Like, very clean.
Super friendly. Everybody's helpful. But yeah, so we're gonna go check out Gardens by the Bay.
And we're getting a train ticket.
Yeah.
Okay, 3.
Yeah, to the yellow one.
Also, we
God,
changed twice. Okay, we'll make sure. Thank you.
So we're going to Gardens by the Bay, and definitely gonna get some Singapore noodles. One of my favorite types. It is.
Oh my god, I've been craving Singapore noodles.
That's like one of our favorites. So
We have the spot in
when in
Scarborough.
Singapore, why not get Singapore noodles?
Duh.
This train system is wicked, man.
Want Singapore noodles? So we made it to the garden by the bay. It's the garden by the bay, not.
Gardens.
It's Gardens by the Bay.
Gardens.
Can we go up there?
Yes, it'll cost you though.
Just to get up?
Apparently, that's what we heard.
Yeah, $20.
And what about to swim in the pool?
That's
Another
only 50.
$100 bucks?
Yeah, if you want to drink up there, it's
Yeah.
another 50 bucks.
Have a good one.
Oh, it's 28 bucks for 2 conservatories.
What's going on here?
Why would you?
Those Trevor, stop that.
No stripping at the garden.
Yeah.
Thank you. I
Already.
just want to get Singapore noodles.
Excuse me, sir. That's not allowed in here.
Hell!
Hello? Babe, it looks like your head.
What the f? What are you talking about?
Trevor's hair.
What's my caption for this one?
Okay, so we purchased this ticket once we got into Gardens by the Bay, and pretty much it's dual. So you can go into Flower Dome and Cloud Forests. It's $28.
And it's pretty cool in here, I mean.
It's so nice and cool. It smells nice though. It smells so fresh.
Well, yeah, there's a lot of like different pine,
Yeah.
cacti.
I honestly think this is the best garden I've been to ever.
Are you serious?
Yeah, seriously.
On to the next pavilion. Freaking didn't have my Singapore noodles. Pissed.
Maybe it's not famous here.
Went to like 5 different restaurants, man. How do we not have that?
Rib bao. It's so.
It's because it's not
So we
famous.
ended up getting
It's hot,
this.
guys.
Freaking bread. Great.
It's probably good. Don't even judge. What if it's good?
Alright, what's inside?
Nothing.
What?
It's so hot.
thought this was gonna be like meat.
Yeah, this one.
It is.
See this one?
Oh, yeah.
Maybe put a little
And
bit
then
of
put a
this
little
guy.
bit of lettuce.
That looks pretty decent.
Burger King. Here, this is for you.
That's okay.
So what did you get, hon?
I got a
pretty
Singaporean
good.
laksa. So it's noodles with coconut and curry. So it's apparently it's a traditional dish here in Singapore.
And I got chicken, lamb, and pork skewers. Since I couldn't get my Singapore noodles. Still want my noodles.
Is it still hot?
We'll get it at the airport.
You'll find it in the
Shit,
airport.
it's hot still.
Okay, so there's something swimming in the water.
It's a duck.
I don't know exactly what it is. What do you think it is, hon?
It's a lizard. It's a giant lizard.
It's a Komodo dragon. Look at that.
That's crazy.
So that pretty much wraps up our time here in Singapore. If you guys have a long enough layover, we highly recommend checking out Gardens by the Bay. Just don't go looking for any Singapore noodles because I looked everywhere and did not find anything. Anyways, that's it for this video. If you guys like to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.